Welcome back, guys. It's your girl. I'm back taking over Southern Smoke Boss channel. So today, if you can't tell by the ingredients that I have chicken legs, I have garlic powder, onion powder, and oregano. I have some celery stalks. I have some carrots, butter, an onion. This is the chicken powder. It's something like the granulated it's something like the chicken bouillon cubes, but it's browned already. I have chicken broth and egg noodles. If you can't tell by those ingredients that I'm making, I am making chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. How can you think of chicken noodle soup and not think of that song? But anyway, I'm making chicken noodle soup because I'm not sure where y'all are, but it's cold here. They talking about snow. I don't know what the forecast doing, but we're going to be warm in here, so I'm going to go ahead and get my chicken washed up. I'm going to get my onion, carrots, and celery cut up, and I'll be back then. Okay, so we have our chicken here. I have washed it off. So what I'm going to do now is, it is in the pan that I'm going to cook it in. I've already washed it off, so I'm going to sprinkle some salt over it, and that is a tablespoon of salt. And now what I'm going to do is pour a 32-ounce container of chicken broth over the chicken and bring it to a boil. I'm sure you notice when you boil chicken, it's like a film that comes over the chicken, and it's like little bubbles that come to the top. To keep that from happening, just put some butter in and let it boil with the chicken, and that'll keep that from coming to the top. And we'll be back once it comes to a boil. Okay, so the chicken legs have been boiling for about 30 to 45 minutes. So now I'm going to take them out. I got my cutting board right here. I'm going to put them on the cutting board, and I'm going to shred the meat off of them because you don't want the skin and the bone in the soup. So I'm going to go ahead and shred that, and I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, as you can see, I shredded the chicken off of the bone. This is my meat, and those are the bones. I cleaned them the best I could. So now I got my vegetables right down. Okay, here are my vegetables, and I'm just going to bring them over here and pour them right into the chicken broth that I boiled the chicken legs in. Alright, so right here I have 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, and a tablespoon of oregano. And I'm going to pour that in there. And again, I have the chicken bouillon powder, and a teaspoon of ground bouillon. Okay, and we're just going to get all of that mixed in. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken back to the pot. So as you see, I've added my chicken back in. And so we're just going to bring that to a boil and get the vegetables tender before we add in our egg noodles. Alrighty, we will be back. Okay, so our carrots are tender, so I'm going to go ahead and add the whole bag of egg noodles. And we're just going to let those cook down. And once they are tender, we'll be back. Okay, there is my chicken noodle soup. The noodles are all tender, the vegetables are tender, the chicken, as you saw, it was fall off the bone. I added some black pepper to the top. So there you have it, chicken noodle soup. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Continue to support us. And I'll see if the hubby will get on camera and taste it when he get here. I would get on camera and taste it, but my eyebrows look like a forest, so I ain't gonna scare y'all today. But there you have it, chicken noodle soup.